Hello, everybody. Hopefully, everyone can hear me proper. And welcome to another session of scalping, trading. We'll watch for some levels on a low time frame, but also I'll take requests and we will go for higher time frames like 4 hour daily and stuff like that. You can ask me any questions regarding trading and request any chart and stuff like that. And I'll make an overview of what's going on in the market, what setups we should take, and stuff like that. Usually Tuesday, I'm looking for a Monday range setup, but with the last pump that we had, it's a little bit harder, yeah, to look for that specific setup due to the fact that we had a big pump. So, good morning. Let's pause. There is a pretty high probability uh, we can see something like this before market will go higher. Maybe fake everyone out. That's this H for FEG into the 61.8. This is what I'm looking for right now. I'll actually post a swing trade. If this draw of liquidity is left untapped, uh, well, that will be really, really nice if we don't sweep this one right now. So this would be a draw of liquidity. This would be the ideal setup. Speak louder. Okay, I think it's the volume from OBS. Yeah, turn up the volume. Okay, sorry guys. Let me know if it's better right now. I turned up the volume. Yeah, yeah, great, perfect, perfect, excellent. Okay. So hopefully now everyone hears it way better. I can put it way higher, but so let me know if you want the volume higher than this. Yeah. No, no, okay. Also, you can see 61.8, it's in a good confluence for 400 EMA. We didn't have the proper retest of this area, and we created some liquidity here at the lows. Ideal scenario would be a dump, in my opinion, and we can get that with the FOMC today and the upcoming news. We can definitely do that. So if I would be to, let's frame a long setup here. Yeah, let's some volumes. Well, POC. Let's see some intermediate areas. Here we have a peak. Here the volume is losing. Here it's losing. Here we have a peak. Okay, that's good. We have the FEG concluded. 61.8. There is even a probability for the price to go for this one. So I should take into account these two peaks from the lower side. So, and at the same time, I want to be a little bit picky with my entry, to put it like that. Yeah. Let's put the volume here. Okay. Yeah, we have a peak exactly here. So that would conclude with a 0.5 of the FEG, maybe 0.5. Yeah, there you go. That would be a 0.5 of the FEG. Let's lock this up. So this would be the ideal scenario. Okay. We look at this too. Yeah, there is even a probability we can maybe sweep this intermediate high. That would be all right, but I still want these ones to be untapped. Okay, so let's have them. Let's have this point of interest here. This would be the ideal scenario. The setup would look like that. Let's put an entry at 65.8. And the stop loss below the candle which created the FEG on 4 hour is this one. And we have a bullish order block here. It swept the previous liquidity. Let's go 1 hour, analyze a little bit more. We have a nice W, some sort of a little FEG here. Some equal lows, so there is a probability for the price even to revisit that area, and we have this order block. So that 4 hour low should be all right. And then we are targeting the highs here. 2.92, 2.93 are. This is the ideal setup. Okay. Let's go for Ethereum. I wouldn't look necessarily for shorts right now because of the upward momentum. When you have something like this, you don't want to look for shorts because there is a very high probability that price might go even higher than that. I'll go for Ethereum. Ethereum, which had a nice breakout from this. I think if we look at the volume, we might have had a descending wedge if the volume was increasing. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Volume was decreasing actually, and here we have an increase on volume on this last part. We have a reclaim, a bullish reclaim with a bullish market structure shift. Well, equal highs here. POC. We have a peak in volume and a gap exactly in this area. So if the price, I think price will initially bounce from this value area high, something like this. But in the same time, I'm looking too long 31,000 area. You can see this is the S&R for our specific area. Well, I said the ideal scenario, I'm making scenarios and I play my setups based on the scenarios. It's irrelevant if I think that it will take the highs or not. I cannot put a setup thinking it takes the high. If it takes the highs first, then I'll cancel my long here because I will not have a draw of liquidity. This is the ideal scenario, which has a probability. This FEG reacted nicely. Well, I don't know, when price is moving this aggressively, you can see it here. What price will do, it will either continue the rally like here, or if it's a range, it will go and consolidate it to the downside. So there is a probability for both cases. You see big pump and then slowly retesting the FEG. So we might slowly bleed into this FEG until here, and then we go higher. But fractal wise, you can see price is slowly consolidating an aggressive movement. Don't FOMO here because price will come back at 31,000, 32,000. There is a very high probability for that. And looking at the POC here, we have a W here. And let's go to the line chart. Yeah, this area would be our W. And having in mind this peak volume here and here, we can get our 61.8 retest where we can hunt for longs. You know, basically here, the ideal setup would have been a LJ long, having a bullish structure like a W around here, and then market to go higher. But we see that due to the fact that Ethereum Bitcoin just broke out, you see, I had this plan posted 4 months ago, swing low reclaim. We closed it with a displacement. This is a proper reclaim, in my opinion. If the price has reclaimed this low, I'll be pretty bullish on Ethereum. As far as it's above that level, I'll be bullish on Ethereum. Okay. And now next area for resistance would be again the 400 EMA on a daily time frame, and even this area. So I can't be bullish yet. If we go here, I can be bullish, but due to the fact that we reclaimed the swing low, if we get a retest around here, I'll just long some altcoins. But basically, we reclaimed. It's still a megaphone pattern in my point of view, and we are still in a descending channel, as you can see here. So zooming out, I can't have a macro bullish. I can't be macro bullish on Ethereum or Bitcoin or altcoin. Sorry. If I see this, well, yeah, then I look for longs on a lot of altcoins. You see, this is weekly, daily, weekly time frame. And if I see this, where I will long the shit out of altcoins with the remainder capital that I have. Yeah. But for the moment, this is a retest of previous resistance area again. Okay. Just zoom out. Yeah. When in doubt, zoom out. So still, I think we will reject here. Okay. Hey, it's a normal, look at this push to the upside. We had exactly the same stuff and everyone was again bullish here, and look at the retracement. So you have to be a little bit more careful with everything that you're seeing, and then zoom out and watch the macro. We will go on altcoins, Tolga, no worries. I mentioned this. Look at this pump. It's similar to our pump. We don't have any bullish order flow. Nothing here. It's just a bearish retest of the highs. And Yeah, indeed, if it breaks me this high 0.05, then I might think that okay, this is it. This was the potential local bottom on a daily to weekly time frame, and this is where the true rally of 2024 to 2026 starts. But as you know, I specified it multiple times. I think it will start in Q4. So what it might happen here is that we might have an accumulation wyckoff, and we might start to range a little bit, go the other side of the trend line, and then in the Q4, the true rally starts. Yeah, go on weekly too. We see the bearish order flow is there. And even we are below the weekly 200 EMA. So yeah, I can't be too bullish on the price action. So be a little bit careful. As long as the price is holding above the swing low, I'm happy with that. Okay. Yeah, we are still early, Tolga, in my opinion. So we concluded Bitcoin. We concluded Ethereum. Let me get some water. We looked for Ethereum, Bitcoin, and let's look for some altcoins. Solana, in my opinion, this is a sideways range. Yeah, you can see it here. Clear range, respected quite nicely. There is a pretty high probability price will come back and retest this S&R around this daily FEG at 151. We have an inverse head and shoulder here, quite a clean one. If we take, if we don't take in account this low, that would send us to $200 exactly. So if I'd be to look for a long on Sol, maybe if we get a quick pullback here, okay, we have a bearish FEG here. It's not retested, that's good. So let's frame a 2R, take profit here. Stop loss below the candle which created the FEG, and there we go. We have our 2.34R. Let's see some other altcoins. Ondo, well, I had a long from this area, posted it on VIP. Even this one, I took it yesterday. This one didn't give us a fill though. Yeah, no fill. See the FEG, most likely price will dump back and retest that FEG. So you'll have a 60% dip. You want to buy it here. If you have $10,000 to buy Ondo, would you enjoy suffering a 20% dip? No, I think you would like to buy it around here at range lows. Because if you see price, it's look at the candle bodies here, and look at the candle bodies here. Yeah, range low, range high. You want to sell your positions, you want to buy. Yeah, easy. Nothing on that one. Well, injective, I like what I'm seeing. but I said it multiple times. As long as we are below this S&R, I can't be bullish. I have enough ING on spot. We have a bullish market structure shift and untapped FEG here. Same stuff. We are at range highs. Until proven wrong, it's more profitable to think this way. We indeed reclaimed the 4-hour EMA, 200 EMA, so there is a probability that this is a wyckoff and we have a spring reaction here, but you know, spring has to be retested. So there's a pretty high probability price will come back, sorry, and retest 61.8. What the heck am I doing? Okay, there we go. Pretty high probability for the price to come back and retest around here before going higher and place something like this. Near, let's go daily, weekly. Can't do anything on this one. I have spot enough of it. What do we have here? Jupiter. This is a potential bot if I'm looking at it on daily. 1 low, 2 low, 3 lows. Got invalidated. I'm not an expert of bot, but it looks like got invalidated. I was looking for a setup here. Feels like it gave me no retest, but there is a pretty high probability. Look at this dump. So there is a probability I will get an entry. I have this order in the market. I'll post it to you. We already took profit and swept this liquidity. We have a deviation, quite ugly. Quite tricky macro price action on this one. Well, energy, good location on a weekly time frame. Keep in mind what I'm saying, what I'm saying all the time in the crypto traders arena, in the lives, guys. How many X's Bitcoin did since the bottom on the 15,016? It did like 4 to 5x, yeah? If your coin didn't manage to put at least that 5x, well, are you sure that you want that coin in your portfolio for the long run? For me, no. So I'll be looking for coins that did over 5 to even 10x in the rally that Bitcoin had. If your coin had 2x or like ADA had 1.5 to 2x from the bottom, definitely I don't want such coins for the long run. Yeah, because they didn't perform well. They can definitely perform well and do a 10x or 5x from the bottom. Yeah, I can definitely see this. But will it be one of the winners that you want in your portfolio that will do 100 or 50? No, pretty low probability. Okay, so think about that too. By the way, guys, hit that like button, please, if you enjoy the lives. Let's get 10, maybe 20 likes. We are at 8 right now. Okay. PHB, I posted a swing trade, spot position actually, a few months ago, and we are really, really good in profits. I posted it around here. or even lower, because we did sell half on a double on it. Yeah, we bought it around here. If I would be an investor, well, look at the weekly time frame, look at the weekly FEG, easy, safe play. I will buy this W. If I'm not in, buy the W, the weekly W. So have a limit order around here. For trading, I wouldn't touch it. Peer, nice accumulation area here. I'm pretty bullish on peer. There is a probability for even a power of 3 manipulation into the lows and then break out to new all-time highs. So peer, it's a good example. Nah, 3. Even this one, I thought it did more than 3x. Let's look at Joe. This one did 5, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it did 5x. So these blue chips are not a good example of monstrous rallies. Yeah, you can see RGX did 8x. This usually it's a bearish pattern. When you have a down slope like this, and you have a slowly consolidation to the upside, I don't want to be the ugly man, but you will most likely have something like this. Speaking about probabilities, okay? So there is a pretty high probability for that to happen. Dogecoin. I had a long here. I was looking for a long, no fill. Well, let's find some scalps, ain't it, guys? Let's find some trades. OMA. I don't know about this one. I never heard about it. Well, yeah, this is kind of the coins that you want exposure in. You see, 40, 50x. This is the type of the coins that you want exposure in. Good point, Tavian. Well, if you have some, then be happy, hold it. If you don't have some, wait for a retracement. But I don't know. Price action is really strong. You can see we have many rejections on weekly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rejections here. So there is a pretty high probability price will get a retracement. But this is what you are looking for. And even Fetch AI did nice. Oh, my trade on AI. It's on. I posted it somewhere. I think I posted it on VIP. Let me check. Didn't I post it this one? If I didn't post it, I'm an ass. Hopefully I posted it. Looking good now. Portal. Oh, well, Portal, it starts to have the sideways movement that I really like. I like this sideways momentum. But if you want to be bullish, wait for something like this. If you want to DCA, it's a good area. But you want that sort of a round bottoming formation here. You see, still below this trend line, and there is a high probability for the price to reject again, sweep the lows, reclaim, and then go for the highs here. Let's get our coins with the biggest open interest change. Okay, we have ENS. Man, I don't know if I can do anything with this one. Nice breakout. Nice W here on daily. I'm not sure if I can scalp this one. Look at the gaps. Okay, no, thank you. Metis. Nice LJ here, but and there you go. You look at W. So, man, I like this one. I like this one. Even the low was swept here, so I think I'll buy Metis. Man, I like it. I like it a lot. Well, with that pump, Tolga, now I'm looking for scalps, but with that pump, I'm not sure if I can find anything on low time frame. That's what I mentioned at the beginning of the live. Due to the fact that we had such a pump, it's quite hard to frame any scalp trades. I forgot to post the trades. So some ideas. Injective. If you have enough capital, I would take it on a spot, Tolga. I will play spot. Okay, let's go back. Metis. I like this one a lot. I like it a lot. I like how the chart is looking. Maybe a little bit above. Let's put the entry here. I don't want to be a greedy goblin. Let's 61.8. Where is that one? Yeah, there we go. Let's put it at 61.8. I like it a lot. Okay, LDO. Okay, 1 week. Okay, range lows. Quite of an ascending channel here. We had a deviation of the channel and then reclaim. You can see it here quite nicely. Back inside. A daily W. Not the LJ that I want to, but and we are below the 100 EMA, so there is a probability we'll reject here, but and we didn't sweep the low. This is what I don't like. Yeah, I don't like this. Well. Skip. See if I go 5 minutes, I don't know. What you can frame something with this one. Maybe TAG, but we will look for some TAGs too. Bonk. Mm. It's at the daily open. I can't work with this one. Gala. I had a long from this weekly from this daily FEG. Let's see. Failed. It finds support nicely here on the daily 200 EMA. You see, it's an S&R, an important level. Hey, Patrick. Park Tricker. Hey, I'm glad, man. I'm really glad. This has to be informative, has to help people, and give some value back to the community. We see Gala resistance, still resistance, swap liquidity. We have a doji candle. We have a sideways range. So this is just a range, guys. So don't be fooled. I told you, I will be really bullish when I'll see Ethereum, Bitcoin. I'll see this. For me, the chart on Ethereum and or Bitcoin is totally irrelevant. When I will see this breakout here on the daily basis, yeah, intermediate speaking on a daily basis, I can have this one because this is the high which created a new low on an intermediate aspect, yeah. But weekly, I want to see this one. And when I will see this one displaced with big volume and the weekly EMA reclaimed, you can see here it's resistance, support, support, resistance, resistance, resistance. So I would be stupid. I should be stupid or blind to think that statistically speaking, we pumped so many times from this support and we rejected so many times from here. I would be stupid to think that this time is different. Go with the statistics. Play accordingly. Don't be fooled by Twitter because Twitter will be very bullish here and also say, okay, it's going to all-time high. I say it's going even higher. Ethereum will go even higher and altcoins, but that will be a bearish retest. If we break out with a big ass candle, something like this, well, that's another whole another story, or like this one, or like this, yeah, or like this one. This is a displacement. This candle, look at it. If I see this kind of candle, well, damn it, that's bullish. I already have spot exposure. I'm more than 55% on invested, so I'm really okay. I bought since June 2022 when FTX collapsed and stuff like that. So then that's the moment when I started to buy. So I have really good exposure. I don't panic or stuff like that. Okay, let's go back. Gala. Um, yeah, just a range. XPS. Let's see it here. Oy, that's looking ugly. When you have a down movement like this, there is a very high probability, more than 60%, that it's not finished. And most likely we'll have something like this. You see, resistance, support, support, support. 5 minutes, let's see, maybe we can find something. 1 hour. Well, when I'm playing a setup, I'm looking if I have a take profit area. If you have a draw of liquidity, where will you take profit? If you don't have an area where to take profit, it's pretty hard to frame a setup. So that's why for Bitcoin, for example, I want to see this highs untapped and liquidity not swept because it's a clear area for the take profits. Data issues, delayed price. Our engineers are investigating. Well, their engineers are not doing the job quite well. Res, okay, res. Daily, not too much information. V-shaped bottom, you know, V-shaped bottom has a very high probability for a retest. So I would be looking for a retest around here. You see price, it's rejecting this S&R. Here we have some support. So if price is coming back here, it's a good spot buy, in my opinion. Yeah. We have a daily 4-hour FEG, let's see daily. Yeah, 4 hour. We have sort of a W here, an ugly one. Yeah, it's a W. So we can buy even some at 61.8 and then lower. But a little bit premature, in my opinion, this chart. It needs more information. And I don't like these V-shaped runs. I like boring price action like we had on Link. Some of you might know that we bought Link here. I posted it when I was here. Let me get the snip out. I posted a clear setup of power of 3 in 2023 in June. And I loaded huge amount of my bags, like the maximum amount that I was allowed on that specific moment. Most of you know. So this is what I like. The bigger the sideways movement, the bigger the explosion, the impulsive movement that we'll have. Let's go on Pendle. Up only mode. 5, 15, 15 minutes. Well, TAG, you can't do anything with this one. Cake. Let's see weekly. Man, I'm too fast for. I'm moving too fast for TradingView. Well, the daily EMA just started right now. It doesn't have too much information to work with, and we see we are at resistance, though we have a nice W even here. And a good location. I think we are 61.8. So if you want to buy some cake, 2.7, 2.6. I will buy some. I don't have too much exposure in this one because it's quite new, but I like this boring range. You see April into May, maybe even more if it goes sideways, I'll be more happy. BNX, BNX. Well, fuck me. I have some of it. I bought here at the boring range. Price discovery now. And I can do anything. At FI. Ooh, okay. I like it. 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 I think I'll buy. I was waiting for this one to buy some. I will buy here. 3.5. Easy, easy. Sell half on a double. So, um, guys, maybe you know about our plan. to make free coins. For example, if I want to have some exposure, 1%, for example, on this one, well, I'll buy 1%. If you are a trader, so if you are a sharp trader, I'm telling you what I'm doing. Many of you maybe cannot do that, okay? But I'm in the markets non-stop. Yeah, I'm daily. This is my job, trading. I'm here daily. What I'm doing is actually going with 2% and acting like a trade. In my validation, it's this low with a daily candle body close. It's a 12% loss for a 100% win. Yeah. So I will cut my position if I get a 4-hour close, for example, below 3.2. Because I'm able to do that, I can put some alarms. I'm daily in the markets. I'm a trader. So in the end, when I will sell my initial position, I will end up with a whole 1% exposure into this coin. So this is my plan. This is what I'll do. And this is how I will play this one. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's hope it's not a V-shape bullshit, a V-shape bottom or stuff like that. Yeah, I like it. Damn it, I'm coughing like a donkey. And I'm not smoking. Okay. I need to put these charts on Discord too, because then I will forget and uh, maybe you will tell me about another coin and we'll jump up on that specific coin and I will totally forget about it. So I will buy some of this one. You can even take a swing. Excellent risk to reward 8R. You can even take a swing here and have a 1 hour soft stop loss. It's not a bad idea. Or 30 minutes, 1 hour soft stop loss. Not a good, not a bad idea. Okay, post it. Yeah, I post it. There we go. Hit that like button, guys, if you really enjoyed this show. Let's get it to 20 likes. And let's find the next one, which are really bullish on a daily time frame regarding the open interest. Pepe, I don't want to look at that one. I have enough Pepe. I bought it way before it started to rally. Well, this is Ethereum Classic. Okay, I don't like this coin. No, thank you. Torch. Well, not a big rally for from 0.2 to 1. Let's check it out. 5. Well, it performed exactly as Bitcoin, so it's okay-ish. It's not great, not great, not terrible. Yeah. Same stuff here. We can have a descending wedge. If you look at the daily, this area is resistance. In the same manner, here we have some support. So price might spend some more time around here before doing that exponential move to the upside. We are still early in the altcoin space, in my opinion. So try to accumulate if you don't have. We have very good location on many of them. Auction. Let's see, auction. Oh, wow. Man, this one went into the Helm's Deep. What the heck is going on? Okay. Well, I don't know where this one wants to go. So swing high, which created a new low, is this one. Yeah, basically we are, oh, okay, nice, nice. I would keep an eye on this one. I would keep an eye on this one because as soon as we reclaim this horizontal ray, which is a core important S&R, so this area here is an S&R. If we see something like this, if we retest, then man, that's really good. Not looking bad. So a lot of altcoins, they are setting up for a nice potential move. Cyber. Where the hell are coming this coin from? Oh, I don't like this chart. No, thank you. Reef. Well, well. I have some limit orders here at 0.13. You see this daily W, we don't have displacement. I'm playing the W a little bit different. You know, I like to have a displacement above the neckline. This is just an SFU. It's a failure. No, thank you. Okay, guys, jump up with requests, with questions. Let's see, Bitcoin. Maybe I can find a scalp on 15 minutes, but I'm a little bit. It's a internal range here. Let's see, Ethereum. Nothing. 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 Pixel. Haven't I charted that one? Well, high, swing high, which create a new low. Well, I have to be frankly, but I'll be bearish on Pixel until reclaim of this SNR. Also, this is an internal range on a higher time frame, but it's an internal range. And we can spend a lot of time in this sideways channel until we find proper breakout. Then the exponential move starts. So I wouldn't be that bullish if we get here. To have a swing, to take profit at range highs, yes. Yes, definitely. So if you want something like this, 2.5, yeah, exactly. Perfect for a short, for something like that, for a quick scalp on a 2R and stuff like that, yes. A lot of coins are looking good. They have a bounce from the range lows. There's nothing unusual with this, okay? Nothing unusual with a range play. It's quite easy. So we can have some trade like that. But keep in mind that if your altcoin is already at a range high here, don't be bullish. Don't be fooled because it can spend a lot of time before the real accumulation, the real expansive movement starts. So try to buy the range lows, try to maybe sell at the range highs, some of your position. Yeah. Gala. I have some Gala spot, plenty of it. Well, Gala is going for this equal lows, I have to tell you. Here, this daily FEG. I think it's going lower. It's quite weak, in my opinion. Weekly M, you can't flip this one that easy on a weekly time frame. So we are constantly rejecting this one and constantly bouncing off this low. So when you have scenarios like this, what will happen is that the price will violently sweep liquidity. They are creating liquidity both ways, but the price will do something like this, and then the exponential move will start. So if you want a rally on something, look for a manipulation, because manipulation is what will trigger your rally. Okay. You see, everything is pumping and this one is dumping. I don't know what's going on. And even trendline speaking, LJ speaking, yeah, not a great overview. Quite weak. Well, let's go on my list. I have a list here. My nibbles. Well, I'm nibbling on. Man, Lix is going to Helm's Deep. This one is visiting Mordor. Where the hell is Lix going? Let's put a picture. So Lix is close to Mordor here. Or Helm's Deep. I know, you guys choose. This is not a proper picture of Mordor. There you go. This is a nicer one. But I don't know, you can nibble some in. I have some leaks. I bought some. Around here we have a nice W. So you can buy if you don't have exposure. It's a good location in my opinion. See you kick. Let's go on the next one. Tau. Well, Tau. I spoke about this level. We didn't tap into the 61.8, so I think it's a premature bounce. We have a W, but we had many Ws in the past. And still looks like a descending slope on a daily time frame. I bought some at 300 around here, 330. But only low amount. I have like 8 orders on this one, and they are spreaded from these areas from 90 to 280. So let's see what orders I will get. SWHT. Switch. Well, we have a good location for this one. I don't know what the heck happened here. Someone maybe tumbled on buttons and bought a little bit more, maybe. But you see, we start to have a good location here. And actually, I got filled on one order at this low. I think it's a monthly level that I was looking at, or a weekly one? Monthly. Yeah. Though it can go even lower here at 0.004. So keep an eye on that one if you want some exposure. GLQ, this one is a beast. I have orders. You can see my orders. In the same manner, I'm DCAing, but not on time wise, but DCAing on the downside. I don't try to outsmart the market. Dusk, well, good area for support here. We have a V-shaped bottom, a nice W here on daily, and potential LJ. So maybe a trade on Dusk. Still looks like a range. No, thank you. I don't know about this one, what they did with it, but man, that's aggressive. But it's nice, actually. It's a very good area for a buy. If you think this kind of coins, even with FUD or anything else, they can't put a sell half on a double, well, think twice about that. You can easily have a double here. Until resistance, you can see it. We have a sell half on a double here, easily. NOM, well, it's coming back home. Good area for buy, definitely. And we had a nice rally, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. 8, yeah, not bad. 8x. Naka, well, I want it way lower. We'll see what we'll have. Chax, oh my god. This one is looking nice. For some spot buy. Big time. Same stuff here. Looking good. Stos, a really nice channel and quite well respected. We have a nice W. And we have the displacement here. You can see the previous daily candle displays this one. What the heck is going on? It pumped in 1 second. Oh, okay. Don't buy it, guys. What are you doing? Maybe Tolga can help me with the translation. If you're here, Tolga. What the heck is going on? They put like a 10% candle in 1 minute. Yeah, so I nibbled in this one at here at channel lows. Tia, oh my God, beloved Tia. I don't think it's done. Sadly, for many people, I don't think it's done with the dump. 1 month. I want some sideways movement. I want something like this. Beam, beam, beam. And then maybe if we get a power of 3, man, that would be sick. And then we get a rally. I saw some people longing here, and they said $40 incoming from here. Man, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I'm too fast to follow. Just ask, just say it. Stefan, go slower, please, or I didn't saw that or that. So here to think something like that, it's absurd in my opinion. It's absolutely absurd. You did told me? Okay, I will go slower. It's absurd to think that this is the low on TIA, and from this area it will go to 40, 50, $100. We are still in a downtrend channel on a daily time frame. You can see it clearly. We didn't even tap into the range highs here of the channel. So we can reject again, then go lower, and then move exponentially to the upside. So try not to be fooled by what you see on Twitter or what your friends are doing and stuff like that, okay? Because you might end up on buying tops. And then you'll think about, oh my God, I bought a top. I bought a top and now instead of doing a 50x, which you can easily do, 50x is easily doable. If you are buying TIA at $9, the difference of buying TIA here at $10 or at 20, and if TIA goes to 50 or 280, let's say, it's a huge difference because from 18 to 100, it's a 4x. And then from 6 to 100, it's a 13x. So if you have $10,000, you would make 130, and from here you will make only 40,000. So it's a huge difference. So just be careful with who are you following. I said multiple times here that TIA will go to $8, and everyone was throwing with shit to me. And I said the same stuff about Injective, if you remember, guys. Injective was at 48 and everyone was calling 100, and I said no, it will dump. Look at the structure. This price is not sustainable, and it's not sustainable. Bull market, in my opinion, it didn't start. The rally didn't start. We are in the second phase, and where we got rejected, especially on altcoins. On Bitcoin, it might have started, but on altcoins, if you go back and try to do some analogies, you will see that altcoins, they start to perform after 4 to 6 months since the Bitcoin peaked, like the top, because everyone is just taking out the money from Bitcoin into altcoins. They are rotating. Tricker Park, do you have a schedule for the streams? Yep, I'm doing this daily from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. It's exactly the schedule that I have it here for you guys. You see me streaming here. Well, it's exactly the same schedule on the Discord part. Voxel, well, let's see this one. It rallied 2x. I'm not a big fan of this rally. Say, man, this one is beautiful. 10x. I like it. Though I would like it here at the 28 in this FEG, this you see resistance, support. So if price gets here, I'll make sure that I will buy some stay, and then Twitter will tell me you're a retarded fuck. They will never go to 28 to 0.28. Well, maybe yeah, maybe not, but I don't see any bullish structure here. If you see anything bullish, just let me know. Maybe I'm retarded. Take the swing low, which created a new high. Take the swing low. Take this one. Even if it's going to take a little bit more time, we are in a downslope here. Think about that. We are in 2024, in Q4, Q2. Yeah. So, and I'm mentioning the fact that, in my opinion, Q4 is where the bottom will be. That's about 6 months, 4 months from here. Yeah, 5 to 6 months. We are on daily. 4 to 6 months means 100 days, 120 days. We'll take this measurement. We see 69 days. 69 days. 1 second. I don't want this one. Go away. Date range. Let's get 100 days. 84 days. Bro. Yeah, 110 days. Okay. Put this one here. And this is the timestamp, in my opinion, in which the next, the bottom will be in. So we are still early. There is still time for a lot of fuckeries. How do we know that Ethereum ETF is not buy the rumor, sell the news kind of event? Why the market is pumping before the news so aggressively? Think about. Yeah, and here we can have something like this. We can have something like this. And then the mother of all the pumps will start. It's not impossible. Nothing is impossible in crypto. You just need to have a clear plan and don't be fooled by what is being delivered to you. I don't even want to see this one anymore. Go to hell. Unibot. I said I want to sell half on a double on this one. I have some position. Let's see if we get our sell half on a double. Man, is this regular? I thought that it's inverse chart. Okay. What's this line that I had here? It rejected perfectly from it. Dude, what the heck is this line? It's standard deviation too. Okay, beautiful. So TA, it's working. Who would have thought? Technical analysis is working, guys. It topped exactly a standard deviation too. Guys, stop speaking in foreign languages. Let me know what you're saying. I will kick you. I need to know what you're saying. Alpha. It's not alpha, it's Alephium. Well, a lot of people were bullish on Alephium here. And here, I saw so many people at 3 and 3.4 saying buy Alephium is going to $10. Well, not really. And now no one is speaking about it. Same stuff about NOM, about this one. Oh, nice. I can tell it too. He doesn't understand English. Same stuff happened to Onomi. What's the name of that dude? Noodles. Okay, Noodles was shilling it around here. And then look at the dump, and now he's not speaking about it. Well, it's a very, very bad behavior from him because he would have to shield this one here. If he really believes in the project, that the project will do good, he should shield the project here, not at the all-time high. Okay, everyone will say, "Oh my God, that dude is such a good trader," and now he disappeared. Same stuff with Neutron. He was shilling it around here and here. I can even get the links out, but that's not my job to do anything like that. Okay. But I'm just saying, try to think with your own head and just look at the charts. Come in our Discord, even on general part, we'll answer you any questions and ask the following question. Stefan, where do you think it's a good buying area for this project or this project or this project? Because Noodles or I don't know, Crypto Gajon said that it will do 100x. What do you think about it? Well, I will tell you. Yeah, same stuff, Elvis. I'm pretty disappointed on the fact that he doesn't share the projects anymore like he did it here, because I remember he had an ascending channel and he was constantly pointing out that they are going for eternity until the end of days. His coins are going like that, which is absolutely retarded. And I start to think that these guys have no common sense of what technical analysis is, or how a chart is creating the price action. What is this price action? Why it's happening like that? And it's this kind of questions. You know, I'm teaching Kappa 2, and in Kappa 2, we go with no indicators. We go with nothing else but candles, nothing but candles. And there is so much information on the candles. And I'm teaching you to create a context and understand what is going on in the phases of the market and how the market is creating this specific structure that we are seeing. And in the same time, um, how we should take advantage of those specific patterns in order to generate profits. Well, LDO, I think I said about this equal lows. Are they equal? Are they equal? Oh my God, I hate it. Yeah, they're equal. Well, sorry if I'm too fast, but I see the setups in 1 second. It doesn't take me too much time to see the setup. This one is breaking out. I like it. Ocean. How many X's it did from the bottom? Yeah, 5x. No, there we go. Sorry, my mistake. Ah, yeah, there we go. 12x. So Ocean, yeah, it's a good bet for the bull market. No location though. Maybe here we tapped into the 61.8. Maybe. Yeah, there we go. Maybe here. BNB, the stable coin. This is an accumulation Wyckoff. Man, this one is reaccumulating. What the fuck? Yeah, it's going for the highs. Crazy. Crazy. So they are fucking with me. Trading view. STG. Let's see the rally from here. QX. Not a fan. No, thank you. Maybe I find a coin that I don't have in my portfolio and has a good location. 5x. Not a big fan. Oh, what the heck was this? Unfi. Well, that area has to be retested at some point. 30x. But it's sketchy. Daily. On Discord, I'm doing this daily, Johan. Go weekly, please. There we go. Frax. Who bought Frax? Who's with me in Frax? I posted it on Premium. Pretty nice bounce from here for $4 where I said about it. Yeah, looking really good now. Yeah, basically, guys, if you want to trade with us, you can join us on the Premium on Discord. There we have London and we have the New York session on each day. So basically, when the market is opening at New York, we are streaming. It's me and PJ, and we are looking for setups. We are answering questions. We are focusing on daily bias to see maybe we find some trades, but not only. We are looking at weekly time frame and stuff like that. And if you want to get to the next level and trade with me, if the market is favorable for scalping, then you can join the VIP session. And then I'm doing this on a daily basis if I have anything to do, because sometimes the market is not that friendly and you don't have too many setups to work with. But I'm doing this from Monday to Friday, and PJ is doing the same thing on our Discord. So if you want to hop up, you can find the Discord pretty easy. You have the invitation in the description. Also, if you want to learn how to trade, we are here for that. So even if you are a beginner and you don't know how to trade, you can take the Capua one and get into that swing trader profile where you will learn how to swing trade, how to look for daily and 4 hours levels, and what to look for actually. And if you want to be a scalper, well, that's another story, because you want to do it really professionally, and you have to allocate some time, some charting time for that specific matter. And it will take you some time, because we look at 100 to 200 trades in a journal. We want to see those trades in your trading log. It's not something random, or trading is not random. It's clear on-point analysis based on clear and on-point specific setups that have probabilities. Okay. That being said, let's get back a little bit to some more charting, and maybe we can find one setup. On swing trades, I posted I have a lot of trades, but on low time frame, I cannot do anything. I can short, I can long. So to answer your question, Tolga, it's pretty hard to do anything. If we get a retest of these lows, definitely I will long. For example, Agix. Let's go. Let's look for a 1 hour trade on Agix. Sadly, our draw of liquidity has been taken. Let's hope that this one will not be taken. This one, but yeah, it's going for it. And this gap, I don't like it here, but in this parallel channel, it's a little bit too aggressive for my taste. Way, way too aggressive. But that being said, I will look for a long around here. This area, which was support, resistance, support, here. Too aggressive though. Skip it. Dogecoin. Well, my long did no feel. We had some successful scalping here. You see, we had a long. I had a short here, which I posted on VIP here. 2R TP hit. But then I didn't look for a long in this area, and we see this W was a good one, but no retest. Huh. Or maybe we had a retest after 11 months. After one eternity later, we had a retest here. I don't know if I want to keep a scalp in the market for 15 May to 20 May, 5 days, no thank you. I hate it when a scalp turns into a swing trade. I can't stand that thing. Well, I can't say anything on 15 minutes, guys. I have to confess. I took some irrationally stop losses on this one, so I think I'll stop trading it. I don't like it. Well, this trade is going nicely. Nice power of 3 here on Manta. So maybe a retest of the lows here. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Targeting a 2R. Not a bad idea. I'll post all the trades on premium and then I will pick some of them and post them on VIP on Twitter. And don't forget, everything is about probabilities. We might get one trade which takes profit, another one which takes a stop loss. So I'm never exposing more than 1%. I'm really conservative with my risk. I'm never exposing more than 1% from a perpetual trade. Yeah, from a futures market trade. If I'm playing spot, well, I can go with 2.5 with 3%. But even then, I'm playing it really careful. Yeah. Well, I think that being said, guys, I'll call it a session. There's enough trades that I'm looking at and that I posted. I'll keep them updated. I'll post some of them on Twitter. Every trade will be posted on Discord. And we'll see you in the New York session in less than 5 hours. I'll be live on the New York session on Discord. So if you want to see me trading, hop up on Discord and let me know. DM me or Paul, and you can get on board. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Subscribe. And with this live, we'll see you on the next Tuesday session. So 28th of May, Tuesday, we'll see you back again. Live trading. Thank you very much. Bye bye.